Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes E-Class, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation W212. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the fuses for the SRS module, practically that's the airbag module, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Now, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video guys, because working on airbag systems, removing airbag fuses, replacing them can destroy the airbag system, or it can make it explode, which can hurt you or even kill you guys. So if you're not qualified and certified, never do anything on airbag systems. So consider this entertaining video only. Now, it's very important to know which battery terminal you disconnect as well, because if you do not do it the right way, you can burn modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. How we know about that? We did that mistake in the past. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect. First, check it out. Now, we'll also share where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The SRS module fuse guys, where you can find them. It's actually 4 different fuses that we'll need to check. So if we come here, we'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model. You guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we'll be working in 2 of them. The first fuse box, you need to open the hood. And on the driver's side here, you have that cover, open it. Underneath, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So, it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys, you may put the fuse back together, and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses, or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. Here we need to check 3 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. If you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. The SRS module fuses that we need to check, next to every fuse on the left or the right side, you have a number that indicates that fuse guys. But the first one that we need to check is, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, fuse number 8, right here. Then you need to check fuse number 15, guys. So that's 17, 16, 15 right here. That's fuse number 15. After that, you will need to check one more fuse here, and we're talking about specifically fuse number 21, that fuse right here. After that, you need to open the hood, and where your jump starter terminal is located right here, that's actually a fuse box. This is what it looks like. Most people don't know about it, but that's a hidden fuse box. That's a different angle. If you open it, it may look like this one. You may have a different kind depending if you have the stop and go function or if you have a hybrid. But on that one that we have, the airbag, guys, SRS module fuse is MR8. We're talking about that fuse right here that's integrated. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.